Hi there and welcome back. Today we're going to make another soup using Swiss chards from the garden and some meatballs. So let's go to the garden and cut some fresh Swiss chards leaves. We need around 500 grams. Before we cook them, make sure they are washed properly. Stack them, then cut them in small pieces. Not too small, because once you put in the broth, it's gonna shrink even more. Next, soak 6 dry fungus in warm water for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take them out and chop them. I know, we could have used a knife, but hey, we're too lazy. The next step is to mix them with 200 grams of raw ham. Now take some garlic and shallot and chop them into small pieces. In a hot pan, add some oil. Then add the minced garlic and shallot. Stir for a few seconds until they become a bit brownish. Now add 1 liter of chicken broth. Boil the whole thing. Then use a spoon to add the ham mixture to the pot. After that, add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Also, 1 tablespoon of chicken powder. Now add the Swiss chards. Stir the soup for a few minutes. Finally, boil it 1 more time. And that's it. Look at this. Oh, yummy. Bon appetit.